Everything has been really very great. They show up always the same time. We do twice a week at our building. Everything is always great when we come in the next morning. The best thing about Gene and Marli is I can always call them. If I have a question, I have a special project, I have their number, and they always pick up the phone. It never goes to voicemail. And that's really nice with companies because I know I'm talking to the owners. I always feel like Gene and Marli have been a partner with me in making sure my building is great for my employees. So I'm really looking forward to continuing my work with them.
Thanks so much, Mr. Phil.
Thank you, Gene.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.